You have to have multiple exposures to words in a short period of time. Because if you don't, when that word comes up again weeks later, you're like, yeah, what's that word mean? It's just like when you meet somebody. Here's Chase, here's Lily. Okay, you see him again 3 weeks later, and you're like, I know you, but what's your name? That's what happens. So we've got to have repeated exposure in a few days or possibly a week so that we can remember the name of that word. Then you become friends, right? You start to do things together. You enjoy being together. You get to know this word in other situations. Yeah, at one point, you actually start to meet the relatives. Okay, you go somewhere where there's mom, dad, cousins, grandma, and then you realize that, well, grandma used to actually work at our school, so now we have a connection that way. That's what happens when you meet the relatives of this word. You meet the Greek and Latin roots. You learn the synonyms. You see it in other contexts, okay? It's a lot like dating. You become more comfortable with the word, more comfortable with the person you're dating, right? You can finish the sentences. You know what to order at McDonald's, double cheeseburger with spicy buffalo sauce on it, right? Okay, we're hoping we don't get to the last part. But anyway, okay? But it takes time to get to know someone. It takes time to get to know these words. And so multiple exposures, not for every little incidental word that we're going to come across, but for our core academic vocabulary. It can't be a one-hit wonder kind of lesson.